Hello friends, welcome to Beena's Family Kitchen. Today my daughter is going to prepare a very delicious pineapple cake for you. So let's go into the recipe.
Today we will see how to make pineapple cake. If you're watching my videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon next to it. The ingredients required for the cake are 1 cup sugar, I have powdered it, 1/4 cup sunflower oil, make sure you don't use coconut oil, 1 and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, it is also known as maida, 5 eggs, make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Here I have taken a ripe pineapple. For making pineapple crush, we need 2 cup chopped pineapple and half cup sugar. Now we will beat the eggs using a beater. You can also use a hand whisk. Beat it for half a minute, and then if you want you can add pineapple essence. As I don't have it at the moment, I am not adding it. Now we will add the powdered sugar gradually. After beating the eggs for 2 minutes, we will add the oil. We will beat this for half a minute. For making pineapple crush, I have taken here 2 cups of chopped pineapple and half cup sugar. Here I have taken a saucepan. Now add the chopped pineapple to it. Also add half cup of sugar. Stir it till the sugar melts completely and the pineapples are nice and soft. The sugar has melted completely. Now lower the flame, and at this point you can add half teaspoon pineapple essence. As it is not available at the moment, I have not added. Our pineapples have turned soft. Now we will switch off the flame. Make sure you cook this in medium flame. And now we will see the next part. Now we will separate the pineapple syrup. We will use this later on. Now we will take 3/4 part of this and grind it in a mixie jar. Grind it and make a coarse paste like this. We will add the remaining pineapple to the pineapple crush. We will mix the pineapple crush and the remaining pineapple together. Now we will keep a sieve on top of the egg mixture and add the flour. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 280 degrees Celsius. Now we will add to this 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve it like this. Now add 1 tablespoon pineapple crush to it. Beat it for 30 seconds. While beating, rotate the machine in one direction. Now using a spatula or a hand whisk, fold the batter slowly in one direction. I have taken a square mold here. I have greased it using oil. You can even use butter. Now sprinkle 1 teaspoon maida on top of it and spread it on all the sides. Now we will pour the batter into the mold. We will tap it like this and then keep it in the preheated oven. Our cake is come out well. I had baked it for 35 minutes. You can take a knife like this and insert it in between, and you can see it's come out clean. That means the cake is completely cooked. Now we will keep this on a rack for cooling. Now we will demold the cake. I have taken a plate here. Now we will place the cake on the plate. You can see it is nice and soft. Now using a bread knife, we will level the cake. Now we will slice the cake into 2 layers. So we have cut the cake into 2 layers. Now we will see how to prepare the cream. I have taken here Amul fresh cream. Now we will take 2 cups of this cream. Use only the thick part of the cream. I have taken a bowl of cold water. Now we will keep the cream bowl on top of it and using a beater we will whisk it. Hold the bowl and beat it. Add 1/4 cup powdered sugar to the whipped cream. You can increase the quantity as you like. I've beaten the cream for 15 minutes and now it is ready. You can see it's not falling down, that means it's ready. And instead of cold water, if you use ice, it will be much better. I've taken the base of the cake here and I've taken the pineapple syrup that we had kept aside. Now using a brush like this, we will apply it on the surface. Now we will add the pineapple crush. I have spread the pineapple crush. Now we will add the cream. Add 1 tablespoon of cream and spread it well. Now we will keep the second layer on top of it and then we will brush some pineapple syrup. Transfer the cake to a flat surface and add 1 tablespoon of whipped cream and spread it. Apply cream on all the 4 sides. Using the remaining pineapple crush, we will prepare pineapple glaze. To this add 1/4 cup water and take 1 tablespoon corn flour and dissolve it in 2 tablespoon water and add it to this. I have ground it into a nice smooth paste and now we will decorate it. Use the back side of the knife and level it like this. So our delicious pineapple cake is ready.